Uh, Hi, my name is Rexson Epiron. I am going to present my PML project. My project title is Brain Tumor Detection Web Application using Machine Learning. My roll number is 215229132. I am going to present brain tumor detection. Uh, let's start up with the brain tumor. A brain tumor is a collection of mass of abnormal cells in your brain. This occurs because the normal metabolism of cells stop. Some cells may not die and new cells will grow. Well, brain tumor can be mainly divided into two primarily uh, brain tumors and metallistic brain tumor. Uh, Brain tumors are diagnosed MRI. Uh, how the brain tumors are diagnosed? MRI scanning remains the gold standard, and CT scan for emergencies, then MRI. Objective: the dataset is used to predict whether the person has a brain tumor or not. One abnormal cell in the brain becomes two, two becomes four, and the four becomes eight until there is a lump of abnormal cells. This is cross of brain tumor. Uh, it helps to create steady purple cells. Brain tumor. Common signs and symptoms. More than 79,000 cases brain tumors will be diagnosed this year. 4,800 children between the ages of 0 to 19 are diagnosed with a brain tumor. Brain and central nervous system tumors are the most common cancers among children 0 to 14. More than hundreds of brain tumors exist.
About
Methodology. Use set as well as machine learning tools to train the classifier. I use the algorithm like the logistic regression and SVM classifier. The logistic regression gives a better accuracy. Dataset description. The dataset having the records of patients who have brain tumor or not. This dataset contains yes images and no images. Total number of 4,500 images, and this dataset contains dataset images as well as predicted images. Nearly 2,000 yes images and 2,200 images for the testing and training purposes. We have separate 80% of training and 20% of testing.
dataset.
Implementation details. Logistic regression. Logistic regression is a classification model. It's a process of modeling the probability of discrete outcome given an input variable. The most common logistic regression models is a binary outcome. Something that we can do two values such as true, false, yes or no, like binary classification. Uh, it is used for the classification problems, and we use SVM classification, support vector machines, a set of supervised learning methods used for classification as well as the regression and outlier detection. This SVM is used effectively in high dimensional spaces. Classifiers and accuracy score. Binary classification, whether we have to predict each patient is a yes or no, brain tumor or not, based classifications. We use logistic regression and support vector machines.
Classifiers.
And accuracy score for separately we have taken the accuracy score for training for logistic regression 1.0 and testing 0.9714. Nearly the support vector machines training score 0.9938 and the testing score 0.95. We use the two classification model and comes the result with the logistic regression gives a better accuracy. Experiment results. This is how the our results look like. The positive tumor and the no tumor. The result are used to predict images the patient have the tumor or not, and we use TensorFlow to for the image classification and Keras. Uh, Conclusion: after testing the two models, conclude the logistic regression is the greatest accuracy for both training and testing dataset respectively, and performs the best compared to SVM. Other researchers would utilize the accuracy to choose the best modeling. Among the others, would undoubtedly the treatment of brain tumor in the majority of cases.
Conclusion. After
This is my GitHub link. I upload all files in for the brain tumor detection. Thank you. Finally, I conclude. Thank you. Okay. Here I come to the coding part. I open my Jupyter notebook. I created my IONP file. I imported the regular libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, model cloud selection for training, testing, and splitting purposes. For predicting the accuracy score, I import SQL and matrices. Import OS relative brain tumor from os.list directory. I give brain tumor training sets and no tumor for 0 and determined tumor for 1. I created the I imported the CV2 for image processing purposes. Uh, I created the classes for visualize the data. I indexing the X images X0. Uh, split the data, X train, X test, Y train, Y test, and printing their properties like shape and size. For training model, SQL and dot linear model and logistic regression, SQL and dot SVM, import SVC. Uh, from logistic regression, I get the training score of 1.0 and the testing score of 0.9714. From SVM, I get the training score of 0.938 and the testing score of 0.95. Prediction, SC dot predict, misclassified Y predict. Testing model, no tumor, 0, 1 tumor, 1 for positive tumor. Uh, this is our result for brain tumor, positive tumor, no tumor. This kind of results are present in our project. These all are our requirements for the web application, like Flask, Matplotlib, NumPy. These are the requirements. Uh, this is the predictor. Import NumPy Keras that pre-processing, for pre-processing, import CV2 for CV2. Uh, this is our your image is input image for the web application for HTML. Uh, this is all our the predict.py. This is our app py. Importing like require like import OS flask render template request predictor check. This is my author name, my roll number. Mm, this OS pass get the file from this app root for in-text, and our HTML file is we created the HTML files. This is our app file. Uh, uh, I will go to uh, how our images nearly we upload so many images, like I will open the images to you. This is the S tumor for it. uh, and finally we go to predict the images. Here, this is our home page for brain tumor detection. We have to choose file from this. This is our project, so I choose from file from this. Okay, these images. These are the images. I selected the images like this kind of images. This check tumor status. This is really go to complete brain tumor detected or not. This will show the result of brain tumor detected or not. Okay. From here I will conclude. This is my PML project for brain tumor detection. This is very helpful for the patient have brain tumor or not. uh, I will give my GitHub link in the PPT, and I will give my source code in the YouTube description. Mm, sorry for the mm, video quality and the audio. Okay, finally, let's I wind up. Okay, thank you.